Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video, we are going to discuss CCNA version 7 packet tracer activity, VLAN configuration. But before coming to this activity, friends, if you like to get CCNA version 7 online classes, or if you like to contact our team for any project support, you can visit our website so that you can contact us. Link you will get from the description below. And also, if you like to get these type of technical videos in future, consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to enable that bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you will get a notification message whenever we upload a new video. Now back to our packet tracer activity. Here we can see the addressing table with the device interface IP address subnet to mask. Then it's a VLAN. Coming to the objectives, in part 1, verify the default VLAN configuration. Then we will configure VLANs, and finally we will assign VLANs to ports. Now coming to the background, VLANs are helpful in the administration of logical groups, allowing members of a group to be easily moved, changed, or added. This activity focuses on creating and naming VLANs and assigning access ports to specific VLANs. So coming to part 1, view the default VLAN configuration. Step 1, display the current VLANs. On S1, issue the command that displays all VLANs configured. By default, all interfaces are assigned to VLAN 1. Yes, just keep in mind these show commands have a great role in troubleshooting. And here we are going to display the current VLANs in these switches S1, S2 and S3. And they mentioned here all these interfaces in S1, S2 and S3 are assigned to VLAN 1 by default. We will verify that. Coming to S1, we will go to CLI, press enter, enable. Here we will give the command show VLAN brief and we can verify that. We will expand this window. And here we can see all the ports from fast Ethernet 0/1 till 24 and 2 gigabit Ethernet interfaces. We can see they are by default in VLAN 1, and we can see its name default and its status active. Now we will verify on S2, CLI, enable, show VLAN brief, and here we can see its output. All 26 interfaces are assigned to VLAN 1 by default. Coming to S3, CLI. Here also we can see the same, show VLAN brief. Yes, it's correct. In step 2, verify connectivity between PCs on the same network. Notice that each PC can ping the other PC that shares the same subnet. PC1 can ping PC4, PC2 can ping PC5, PC3 can ping PC6. Pings to host on other networks fail. What benefits can VLANs provide to the network? Here we can say some primary benefits of using these VLANs like security, higher performance, cost reduction, then broadcast storm mitigation, etc. Yes, so we will verify the connectivity now. Coming to a topology, here we can see this PC1 and PC4 in the same VLAN, VLAN 10. Then here we can see PC2 and PC5 in the same VLAN, that is VLAN 20. Then PC3 and PC6 in the same VLAN, that is VLAN 30. Okay, better I will highlight the same VLANs here. Maybe some colors. VLAN 10. We can see PC1 and PC4 is in the same VLAN, so we will highlight it. Then we will use this color for VLAN 20. Here we can see VLAN 20, that is PC2 and PC5 in the same VLAN. Okay. Then here we can see PC3 and PC6 in the same VLAN. that is VLAN 30. Now we will ping the PCs that shares the same subnet. We will ping from PC1 to PC4. So here we can see its IP address, or we will go to this PC4 and we will get its IP address. Just we will copy that. Then coming to PC1, command prompt. Here we will ping to that PC. Here we get the replies. Okay, now we will ping from PC2 to this PC5, which are in VLAN 20. We will get the IP address of PC5. We'll copy its IP address. Then coming to PC2, we will go to command prompt. Here we will ping to that PC5, and here we get the replies. Now we will get the IP address of PC6. We will copy that. Then coming to PC3, command prompt, and here we get the replies. Part 2, configure VLANs. Step 1, create and name VLANs on S1. Here we can see our switch S1. Create the following VLANs. The names are case sensitive and must match the requirement exactly. Actually, this is for scoring purpose. Okay, we have to create this VLAN, VLAN 10, and we have to give the name as a faculty/staff. And here they given the command how we have to create this VLAN 10. VLAN 10 in global configuration mode. Then in VLAN mode, that is specific configuration mode, we can set the name for this VLAN 10. Also, we have to create the remaining VLANs, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 99, and VLAN 150 with these names. We will do that. Coming to S1, we will go to CLI, then global configuration mode, configure terminal, and here we will create this VLAN 10 first. VLAN 10, then we will give the name. Just we will copy that name. Then paste here. Okay, now we will create VLAN 20. We can create that VLAN 20 here itself. VLAN 20, it's possible. Now we are in VLAN 20 and we can set the name. It's students. Or we can exit, go to global configuration mode, and here we can set, we can create this VLAN 30. We will set the name as a guest default. Next is VLAN 99. Name, management and native. Then 150 for voice. So everything we will give in caps. It's for packet tracer scoring. Next is verify the VLAN configuration. Which command will only display the VLAN name, its status, and associated ports on a switch. Yes, already we have seen that we can use the show command, show VLAN brief. Just we will exit. Okay, we will go to privileged exit mode. We can press Ctrl Z. So here we can give the command show VLAN brief. Press enter, and here we can see the details. Here we can see all the ports are assigned to VLAN 1 by default, and here we can see the VLANs we created now: 10, 20, 30, 99, and 150. And here we can see its name. In step 3, create the VLANs on S2 and S3 also. Use the same commands from step 1 to create and name the same VLANs on S2 and S3. So whatever VLANs we created in S1, same we have to create on S2 and S3 with the same names. Okay, we can do that. First of all, we will go to S2 CLI. enable configure terminal. We will create the VLAN 10 with the name, it's a faculty bar staff. Then we will create a VLAN 20, its name caps S students. Next is VLAN 30, it's a guest. Then we have to give a default in bracket. Oh, we have to give the name before that, the command name. Next is VLAN 99, name is management and native. Then VLAN 150, its name is voice. Next we will do it on S3. Enable configure terminal, VLAN 10, set the name as a faculty bar staff. Then VLAN 20, name students. VLAN 30, name guest, default in bracket. VLAN 99, name management and native. VLAN 150, name voice. Next, in step 4, verify the VLAN configuration on S2 and S3. Okay, we will come to S2. We'll go to global configuration mode, press Ctrl Z, then enter. Show VLAN brief. And here we can see all the VLANs we created: 10, 20, 30, 99, 150 with the names. Then on S3, Ctrl Z, enter. Show VLAN brief. 10, 20, 30, 99, 150 with names. Now we will move to part 3, assign VLANs to ports. In step 1, assign VLANs to the active ports on S2. Configure the interfaces as access ports and assign the VLANs as follows. So we have to assign this port fast Ethernet 0/11 to VLAN 10. So here we can see the commands for that. We have to go to that specific interface. Then we have to give a switch port mode as access. Then assign this VLAN 10 to this interface, that is switch port access VLAN 10. Earlier we told all the interfaces are assigned to VLAN 1 by default. So here now we are going to assign VLANs to the active ports in this switch S2. And here we can see this interface fast Ethernet 0/11 is connected to PC1, and we are going to assign to VLAN 10. I mean this VLAN 10 we will assign to this port fast Ethernet 0/11. Okay, we will go to S2. Here we will go to that interface. Sorry, we have to go to global configuration mode. Then interface fast Ethernet 0/11. Sorry, so we have to give fast Ethernet 0/11. Okay, now we are in that interface. Then we will give a switch port mode as access. Also we have to give a switch port access VLAN 10. Assign the remaining ports to the appropriate VLAN. VLAN 20 we have to assign to fast Ethernet 0/18. Then VLAN 30 fast Ethernet 0/6. So coming to our topology, here we can see this interface fast Ethernet 0/18 is connected to PC2. Then fast Ethernet 0/6 is connected to PC3. First of all, we will assign VLAN 20 to the active interface fast Ethernet 0/18, which is connected to PC2. Okay, we will come to S2. We will exit and then we will go to that interface, that is fast Ethernet 0/18, and here we will give switch port mode as access, then switch port access VLAN, it's 20. Next is assign VLAN 30 to the active port fast Ethernet 0/6. Exit, then we will go to that interface fast Ethernet 0/6, then switch port mode as access, switch port access VLAN, it's 30. Step 2. Assign VLANs to the active ports on S3. S3 uses the same VLAN access port assignments as S2. Configure the interfaces as access ports and assign the VLANs as follows. Assign VLAN 10 to the active port fast Ethernet 0/11, then assign VLAN 20 fast Ethernet 0/18, VLAN 30 fast Ethernet 0/16. We will go to S3, enable configure terminal. We will go to the interface fast Ethernet 0/11 and we will give a switch port mode as access, then we will give switch port access VLAN 10. Exit, then we will go to a fast Ethernet 0/18 interface fast Ethernet 0/18, switch port mode as access, switch port access VLAN 20, then fast Ethernet 0/6. Exit, go to the interface fast Ethernet 0/6, switch port mode as access, switch port access VLAN, it's 30. Step 3. Assign the voice VLAN to fast Ethernet 0/11 on S3. As shown in the topology, the S3 fast Ethernet 0/11 interface connects to a Cisco IP phone and PC4. Coming to our topology, here we can see in this switch S3, port fast Ethernet 0/11 is connected to this IP phone and this to this PC4. The IP phone contains an integrated 3-port 10/100 switch. One port on the phone is a labeled switch and connects to fast Ethernet 0/4. Another port on the phone is labeled PC and connects to PC4. The IP phone also has an internal port that connects to the IP phone functions. The S3 fast Ethernet 0/11 interface must be configured to support user traffic to PC4 using VLAN 10 and voice traffic to the IP phone using VLAN 150. The interface must also enable quality of service, that is QoS, and trust the class of service, that is COS, values assigned by the IP phone. IP voice traffic requires a minimum amount of throughput to support acceptable voice communication quality. This command helps the switch port to provide this minimum amount of throughput. Here we can see the command for this voice VLAN to fast Ethernet 0/11 on S3. We have to go to that interface and we have to give these commands. Coming to S3, we will go to CLI. We will exit, then we will go to the interface fast Ethernet 0/11. Then we will give MLS, then QoS, trust, COS, press enter. Then we have to give a switch port voice VLAN 150. In step 4, verify loss of connectivity. Previously, PCs that shared the same network could ping each other successfully. Study the output from the following command on S2 and answer the following questions based on your knowledge of communication between VLANs. Pay close attention to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 port assignment. So here we have to give this a show command, show VLAN brief. We will go to S2. Okay, we will give that show command, enable show VLAN brief, and here we can see the details. We can see VLAN 10 is assigned to the port FA0/11, VLAN 20 is assigned to FA0/18, and VLAN 30 is assigned to FA0/6. And we can see all other ports are in the default VLAN, that is VLAN 1. Try pinging between PC1 and PC4. Okay, we will get the IP address of PC4. Then we will go to PC1 command prompt, and here we will ping to PC4. And we are waiting for the replies, and it's not going to communicate from this PC1 to PC4. Request timed out. It's not working. Here we can see packets sent it's 4 or received 0, 100% loss. Because the link between these switches S2 and S1, S1 and S3 are in switch port mode as access, it should be in trunk. Although the access ports are assigned to the appropriate VLANs, where the ping successful, explain. We have seen it's not succeeded because already I told the link between this S2 and S1 and S1 and S3, these ports are in VLAN 1. But all PCs, PC1 and PC4, they are in VLAN 10. What could be done to resolve this issue? Here we can resolve these issues in two ways. But here the major solution is to make this link as trunk. In the next video, we will see how to configure this trunk. So friends, in this video, we discussed CCNA version 7 packet tracer activity, VLAN configuration. Now dear friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions regarding this video, please comment below. Also, if you like our video, give a thumb and share with all your friends. And if you like to contact our team for any help, you can visit our website. Stay tuned and we will meet again with the next video. Thank you.